What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I am so super excited because I have friend mail. Yay! And I keep hitting the box. It's right here. I got a very large box, actually, of goodies from my girl, Lois. Now, Lois wanted to try to get together in person to give this box to me, but unfortunately, I got super, super sick. So she just thought, you know, I'm going to go ahead and send it to her because we're not really sure when we'll be able to get together in person. Now, I'm not contagious or anything anymore. I'm just saying, but I have this lingering congestion. It is making me absolutely crazy. So at any rate, I'm really glad she sent this to me now because I definitely could use a pick-me-up because I just, you know, it's been really hard since I got sick trying to get back on track and all of this stuff. We're not going to get into that because this is about Lois and this awesome, I'm sure it's awesome, box of goodies that she sent to me. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Lois, her channel is called Life with Lois and she does all kinds of things on her channel, but she loves gardening. She absolutely loves gardening. She also does some DIY things like painting her statues and just all kinds of fun stuff, guys. I love her to death. I'm sure you will love her too. If you're not familiar with her already, please make sure that you check her out. I'll have a link in my description box. So make sure that you jump over there right after you're done watching this video. Let's go ahead and jump into this box of goodies. I know that was a lot. I love, look how big this box is, guys. I love how she puts these flowers on here. I think that is so super awesome. She just takes the time to make it special. And this box is really awesome. Look at all the beautiful colors in the box and stuff, guys. Okay, let's open this up and see what, oh, it's a FabFitFun box. I haven't gotten FabFitFun in a while. I canceled it a while ago because, you know, anyway. Oh my gosh, I see what's on top. I'm so excited. That's why I couldn't wait to open this because, like, I'm going to pick my son up here pretty soon for school. And I'm like, I want to open this first. So hopefully I make it in time. I'll make it in time. I leave super early. At any rate, she has a really nice card in here for me. It says, even now, God goes before you to make a way to give you strength to reveal his love. You're surrounded with lots of prayer as God keeps you in his care. Aw. It says Amber and Noah. And it says your friend Lois and Kyle near. Well, thank you guys. She has something on the side here. I'm not going to read it. I'm going to read it to myself later. So I don't know what it says because, you know, her and I are friends and I talk to her about things that, you know, I don't broadcast to everybody. But this is so awesome. Guys, I love Thor. I love Thor. So I am going to have the video coming up with my Thor shoes and all that stuff very soon, guys. When I got sick, I couldn't edit videos. I couldn't do anything. But that's going to be coming up really soon. But she knows I love Thor. He's my absolute favorite. And apparently, Ulta Beauty had Thor, like, makeup and stuff. I saw her unbox it on one of her lives. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. She's like, it's for you. And I'm like, what? It's for me? I'm so excited. So here's the bag, you guys. Look how awesome this is. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. You have no idea how exciting this is for me. Like, I definitely won't even carry this. Here's the back of it. I won't even carry this because I'm just saying I want to keep it really nice. I love Thor. I love Thor. So here's the inside of it, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love it. I just love it. I love it. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, what do we have here? We have some glasses. The Pioneer Woman. The Pioneer Woman glasses. Now, are they just fashion glasses or are they like readers? Are they readers? I can't tell. Do you guys like them? I'm just saying. This styling. You can always pop the lenses out anyways and turn them into just stylish ones. They're super cute though. I love them. They're really fun. Okay, what do we got in here? Oh my gosh. You know what is so funny? I kid you not. I know I say this in a lot of my videos. I was looking at these at Walmart, which it looks like this is where she got them. I was looking at these at Walmart and I passed them up a couple times. I'm like, you know how cheap I am, guys. I was like, $3. Hopefully they mark it down some more. Thank you, girl. I've had my eye on these at Walmart for a while, but I was hoping they mark them down to like $1 and then I was going to, you know, buy all of them. So thank you. I'm so excited. Oh, how pretty. I love this. And it's perfect size because I like my stuff a little bit bigger. She got me a large. It says friends on it, you guys. I'm looking at it and not showing it to you. Look how pretty this is. I love this. What a pretty green. And I have green on today. You know what's funny is I had green on yesterday too. I've been on a green thing, I guess. But I really love it. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, I love superhero stuff. And I do not have a Batman one that looks like this. I love it. I love it. I don't have the yellow one like this at all. I think most of mine are like black and red or what. I don't have one like that. Look how nice that looks. Oh my gosh. Yes. I'm going to probably wear that tomorrow. That's awesome. And we have another one. I'm going to be so superheroed out, you guys. I'm so excited. I love it. Superman, you guys, look at it. I love it. I mean, I love it. Oh, I love it. It's like a rustic look. Same with this one. I love that. Oh my gosh. Did I say I love it yet? Because I love it. Looks like there's another shirt in here. Oh, let's check it out. Oh, we got Thor on it. Yay! You guys know I love Thor. I just said how much I love Thor, but it has all the Avengers on it. Check it out, you guys. Oh my gosh, she is spoiling me. I mean, she is spoiling me. I'm gonna have so much awesome gear. I love it. I love it. I love it so much, you guys. Okay, we're gonna, this is so awesome. This is gonna look great in my geeky area. Look, you guys, it's like a painting. You know, it's on a canvas. I love it. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. You're gonna hear me say I love it a lot. Because I do. I love it. I'm so excited. Guys, and this could be something that, you know, most people give to their kids. Yeah, not me. This is going to go in my geeky area. I love it. A Spider-Man. It's like a Spider-Man stuffed animal. That's what it is. Love it. You know what? I love the fact that it's on this because I could hang him up in his little geeky area because Spider-Man has his own room too. All of the superheroes have their own rooms in my geeky area. Oh my God. Stop it. Stop it. Is it like a Barbie? I think it is. It's a Wonder Woman Barbie. Stop it, you guys. Look. Stop. Oh, hold on. Look at her. Ah! I love it. Guys. Oh my gosh. I love it. This was a good find, Lois. Wow. What a good find. She got it a Goodwill. I wish my Goodwill had stuff like this. This is an awesome find. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. I'm going to fix her up and I'm going to put her in her little area. Oh my gosh. That is that's a great find. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. What are we? Ooh, we have all of the superheroes in, what is that stuff called? The hand gel stuff? Sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Awesome. We have a Spider-Man one. I love it. And guys, I do carry sanitizer with me all the time. I mean, who doesn't? But especially now. They're all Spider-Man, but they're awesome and I love it. And like I said, I definitely carry sanitizers all the time because, you know, you don't know when you're going to need one. What do we have here? This one, 2 in each. So it's some kind of, it's like a surprise. Here it is. It's Marvel, of course. I love it. She knows me. She knows me so well. Okay, I hate to open this part because I actually would save this. I mean, I still can, but you got to tear it to open it. But I'll save as much of it as I can because I actually use this to craft with, believe it or not. I know. You guys are probably like, what? I would just throw that away. No, this is great to craft with. I promise you. Oh, I didn't rip the Marvel logo, so that's good. All right, let's see what's in it, guys. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't open it. It's my hands won't do it. Is it taped? I wonder if it's taped. Oh, no. Oh, just have to give it a little bit more oomph. Oh, how cute. We got a Spidey. I'm going to open him all the way up. I'm going to open him all the way up. Look at that. He like suction cups onto the thing. Look, it's like a suction cup. So I can suction cup him right in place. That is so freaking cute. I can't with this. This is awesome. I love it. Oh, we got Thor. Yay! I'm so excited. We got Thor. He's hard to find, you guys. You don't see Thor very often in this kind of stuff. I am so excited I got Thor. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. That is awesome. Check him out, you guys. Oh my God, I love Thor. I love Thor. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, wow. This is awesome. It looks like it's been burned. Yes. It's a crate. And somebody burned Marvel. Look at that. I love this. This is awesome. Wow. What a great find. Oh my gosh. I love it. I absolutely love it. Did I show you guys that side? I don't remember, but I'm telling you what, this was a freaking awesome find. Guys, I could put them on display inside this crate. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is amazing. Wow, you found some really awesome stuff, Lois. I need to go to the Goodwill that you're shopping at. And then we have an Avengers. Yes, it is a comic book. Or is it no, it's an activity book. Okay, that's really cool. Ooh, there's Venom. Yes, please. I love them all, you guys. I love them all. I'm looking at it and I'm not showing it to you guys. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I just love all these so much, you guys. This is so awesome. Because what I'll do is I'll cut the pieces and parts out of this and I'll use it in crafting. So this is going to be awesome. Okay, guys, I have one more thing in here that I was saving for last. I kept pushing it around because I knew what was in it because I saw her open it on her channel. But I'm really excited to open it for you guys. So this is in an ice cream beauty box, but I'm pretty sure this is the Thor set that came from Ulta Beauty. So let's open this up. So excited, you guys. Okay, so these are these crayons? What? Wonder Woman crayons? Guys, she found some really cool stuff. Like, I don't find this stuff in my Goodwills ever. This is such a great find. I love unique stuff like that. And it looks like the people didn't even use it. Let me open them. No, they didn't even use them at all. So this is awesome for me because I'm not going to use them. They're going to be on display, of course. Okay, here we go, you guys. I'm so excited. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I didn't buy the set for myself because I knew she bought it for me. So I was like, yeah, I won't bother because Lois is going to hook me up. She wanted to keep one thing in the set, which, you know, she bought it. Whatever she wants to keep, she could keep. And I'm just so grateful that she thought of me to even give this to her, get this for her. It's a 3-piece eye set. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at it. So excited. I mean, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, let's pop it open because I'm really curious. Oh, stop it! Stop it! Ah, this is so cool! Guys, it's the lightning bolt stamper for the sides of your eyes. Stop it! Stop it now. Oh my gosh, I can't. That is cool! I'm really excited. Can you guys tell? And then we have some white eyeliner. There it is, right underneath the Thunderbolt. Oh my gosh, I can't let this. This is so freaking cute. I didn't know that's what that was, obviously. And then we have a nice blue. Ooh, look how pretty that blue is. Look at that. Yes! Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Ah, this is so awesome. Okay, and then here's the coup de grace. Let me take it out of the little plastic here. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool. I can't. You guys, look. And it has like a crack down the center, like it's been hit with lightning. It separates, but I wanted to like show it to you guys like this first. But it was so cool. She had it on her chin. Look, it's like a magnet. Stop it now. Stop it now. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Okay, so on this side, we have, it's like, you know, reds and burgundy and some like fall-y kind of colors, I guess you can say, which is really fun. I'll definitely use them. I can't wait to use it, actually. What are the names? I'm kind of curious. Truth Revealed, Worthy. You have to be worthy to hold Thor's hammer. I'm just saying. Okay, this is so fun, you guys. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these colors are really pretty. Yay! Look at that. That is such a nice variety on this side. 2 completely different sides. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. And then when I use the makeup up, I'm still going to have this. You guys, look how fun this is. I can't. Ah, it's so fun. Lois, this couldn't come at a better time. Truly. Because, you know, I've just been going through a lot and I need a nice pick-me-up, and this was definitely that. I do have a box that I've been building for you. I will get it out to you at some point. I'm not really sure when I'm going to be sending it out, but just know that I've been, you know, finding stuff that I thought you might like and just putting it aside, and I'll just one day ship it out to you. And I hope that you're going to love the stuff that I got you as much as I love the stuff that you got me. This is really awesome. I have like the best friends in the world. I really do. And I'm so very lucky to have them. Again, guys, if you don't know who Lois is or you haven't checked out her channel, please make sure you stop over and check her out. I just love her to death. I think she is a beautiful person inside and out, and I'm sure you guys will think the same thing. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and thanks again, Lois. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! I'm Amber, and in today's video, I am so super excited because I have... What? Something is in my ear. Like, I hear something in my ear. It sounded so weird, I'm sure. And I'm talking about my ear, and I said sounded. Anyways, try it again. She wanted to try to meet up in person, but unfortunately, I got really super sick, and I'm still have the lingering effects of being super sick. I'm hot, too. I gotta try this again.